Jens from Motif here. Today I'd like to just shortly go over some of the sheet review capabilities that we are unlocking in Motif. Um, so I've gone ahead here and done a little bit of let's say a TV cooking exercise of, I already brought in or pre-published some sheets into this board. So in Motif, you can get all your sheets and you can publish them directly from the Motif plugin. I will show that in a bit. But basically, you can have them all come in here and be laid out for review a session. And now I can go ahead. I can sit here and go through this set of drawings that the team uploaded from me. Maybe I want to say, mine these buildings up here on this mine, and could add some text as well if I want to. Go on, maybe. Oh, actually, just let's have a proper redlining session, so I can change the color to red here. I can just change the line thickness as well to have it a little bit smaller. But yeah, I can go ahead here and maybe say, okay, maybe move this down here, move these guys up here, and then let's assemble. Which there's also something here with these elevations, so maybe I was gonna go again to add a red line through to just move this down to the line. And as you can see, the nice thing about having this on a canvas is that you can have them lined up next to each other, so you can draw this line straight through. You don't have to sit and see each sheet as you normally would in many other applications. Another thing, I'm straight away here noticing that the view template is not applied correctly here to these emission views. And this, I guess, is also a nice way for us to show the comment feature we have, because all the markups you see, they currently don't come into Revit. They're only showing up in Motif. But the comments that you place on your sheets will go back to Revit.
So here I could say to my team, please, why you
correct view template. And I didn't do this now, but I could have added someone, I could have tagged someone from my team. And then by doing that, they would get notified by email that there was something for them to look into. If I were to sort of, let's say I was the one who was gonna deal with this back in Revit. If I went back to Revit now, and I had the Motif plugin installed, you can see it here on the right-hand side. If I went to the comments section, you will see that the comment I just added a second ago is now already showing up on the right side, and it's saying please apply the correct view template. If I click on this comment now, this will take me straight to that sheet within the project. Now I can interact with the comment. I can say, Arnold, fix this now. Lovely. With values. So I'm just gonna hit enter, and I could go ahead, and fix this issue with the view template. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that now. So add the correct view template onto this. So then that's like this. I'll not fix all the rest right now. So I could now go here. And just for the sake of it, if I went back to my board now and I clicked on the comment, you can see my reply. So I mean, now it's myself replying to himself, but this could be a principal doing a review set, and then someone on the team interacting with those comments and providing feedback back. And then I will now go ahead and do a re-upload of this set here. So I can go in here and say, I publish a new asset. Maybe I'm gonna call this week 2 something. I don't want to upload all the drawings right now. Not that it takes long, to be honest. It's simply a lot quicker than publishing or exporting out to PDF as you would typically do. And here you don't have the hurdle of having to bind afterwards or having to make sure that they print correctly. We will make sure that happens and works perfectly fine when they come up. So in the case of this right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and only take the A302 one that we just talked about. Let's save and close that. I'm gonna stick to the 300 dpi. That is the slowest, but also the highest resolution that we provide currently. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say republish those sheets. And as you can see, it's gonna start by converting the asset into Motif, and then afterwards it will go ahead and publish the the sheet up there. So that should be done by now. So I will just zoom out from this. And then we go up here, and here is my new version of that sheet. And we could just, for the sake of it, we could go here, copy this one over. And let's say this is now there. You've fixed out a comment from last week. Here's a new set for you to review. I mean, I just uploaded one going, but you get the idea. You could upload the entire set again, and then you could do another review session based on the comments from the previous week. And you can go back and forth here and check if it has been fixed or not. I can now go down on this one and say resolve this ticket, or this has now been resolved. So it's not going away, and it's going into a backlog or an archive. If you want to, you could also leave it if that was what you want to. But it's just to give you an idea of some of the possibilities that we unlucky with this sort of workflow. And we are going to launch a lot more updates around sheet reviews in the coming weeks and months. So stay tuned after Christmas and New Year's. We will have some exciting new features coming out for this stuff. But I think you will eventually see a lot more annotative features as well to do different shapes, revision clouds, etc. And yeah, just a bunch of other exciting bits and bobs. And again, I just did it this way. You could have done, with Motif, you might have many boards that you want. Could have a board per review. It doesn't have to be all reviews in one board. So it's just to say it's completely free to you as to how you want to use the platform and the tool. But in this case here, I just brought the reviews into the same board. But you could have made an entirely new one for the next week, or it's really how you want to go about it. So yeah, I hope this was useful, and thank you so much.